Doing squats the wrong way can destroy your knees and mess up your back. But lucky for you, I'm here to show you how to do them the right way. Step 1. Stand comfortably. Start with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out. Make sure you feel balanced before you move. Step 2. Tighten your core. Lightly brace your abs, lift your chest, and keep your back natural. Not stiff, not rounded. Step 3. Sit back first. Begin the squat by pushing your hips back, like you're sitting into a chair. This takes pressure off your knees. Step 4. Lower straight down, bend your knees, and drop your body straight down, not forward. Think elevator, not slide. Let your knees track in line with your toes. Step 5. Control your depth. Go as low as you can control. Aim for thighs about parallel to the floor while keeping your heels flat and chest up. Step 6. Push straight back up. Drive through your heels and stand up the same way you went down, straight up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Step 7. Reset and repeat. Stand tall, stay tight, and move smoothly into your next rep. Fix your squat form now, and your knees and back will thank you later. Thank you.